Hi, welcome to Say By Boss. And in this video, I shall be talking to you about most things or everything AI. From an AI platform that has talking head videos to using ChatGPT in conjunction with this platform and creating videos that will be useful for different kinds of marketing or for talking head videos that could be used in adverts or could be used in affiliate marketing for creating traffic to sell stuff. So here we go. This is the first video I'm going to be showing you, and to do this, what I've decided to do is just show you how the videos look and what they work like. Bear with me, they should be short. In this first video, I'll show you how I've used this to create a vertical video. As you can see, the dimensions of this video are vertical, and it's just got a single plain white background. What I shall be talking about here is I shall be describing different types of talking head videos, AI talking head videos that exist on the market. I shall be doing a video about this a bit later, so watch out for this. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification button for when this video comes out. But to get back to the video we're talking about right now, let's look at what the actual video looks like. I've used 3 different accents. The middle one is a British accent, and the third one is an American accent, and obviously with different intonations and different types of what's what I'm looking for, different voices. Let's just leave it at that. But what I'll say to you is, what you want to listen to, what you want to look at is the way and the crisp way in which the video has been created and has been put together. So let me play this for you and you can decide what you think about it. I'll just play you a small snippet.
But each of them have features that are the same, and some capabilities that are different. They also have pros and cons. However, which of these would you say has the best opportunity to be future?
So you can see I've got number 3 using an American accent, and number 2 using a British accent, and number 1 using my accent. And what you find with this is that each of these different, my voice is a bit low because this was the first run of this. I was trying to use this in this way, and I was not speaking into the microphone fairly clearly. But that is not to say that the voice you get from this is not quite good, as you can tell with the other 2 other voices. Now, this is just one of the methods, or this is just one of the ways in which you can use this tool. What I've also done is I've gone in and I've asked ChatGPT to write about itself. I've asked ChatGPT to create a piece of information or a small text about itself. This is just to show you the way in which you can integrate ChatGPT with this AI platform. By the way, I've been writing about the platform. I've not told you what it is or what it's called. It's called Humanpal. And Humanpal is a software that came about a year ago, and it was created by a group of guys who are quite well known in the industry, at least in the affiliate marketing and internet marketing sphere. So it's a fairly robust product, and these guys have had years, I think somewhat in the region of 20 years or 10 years of creating software. So they're fairly well known, and this should give you confidence in case you're interested in picking this up. Now, let me show you another video I created, like I said, with ChatGPT. And this is the video I created using ChatGPT. And what I did was I went in, like I said, I asked ChatGPT to describe itself, and I've used it within this video. I'm just going to show you a small snippet of what this looks like.
ChatGPT is an AI-powered writing assistant that can help businesses create engaging content quickly and easily. With a simple user interface and interactive conversation design, ChatGPT provides a hassle-free way to generate copy for social posts, blog posts, emails, and more.
So you see, that's the second video. These are 2 different kinds of videos. One of them is, like I said, a vertical video, and the other one is a standard 16:9 or 3:4 video that can be used on YouTube or whatever you want to use that. The website, it doesn't really matter. And you can see that the movement of the head and the syncing of the lips are pretty good, and this is what you want when you're making a talking head video. Remember, talking head videos tend to perform quite well. They are videos that people tend to, obviously depends on the script and depending on how this comes across, they're videos that people tend to trust the most or trust a bit more. Now, what is Humanpal? As you can see, this is Humanpal here, and I'm going to walk you through the steps in how to create your own video. So when you pick up Humanpal, you come into the dashboard, onto the platform, and you click on create video. The next thing you do is you select. You see they have a selection of different types of of talking heads. You just select one of them. In this instance, if I select this lady and I go to next, it'll take me through what kind of orientation you want for this, and whether you want one with, you can see this one with the portal window, where she's actually looking to the portal of the window, and and it's got really small text, but this has bigger text and this has bigger text. So if we pick the one in the center, for example, and we'll go to next, then it then prompts us to take and use each of the different, or one of the different avatars that it has. Now it also has a feature of generating a different kind of avatar. So AI human photo generator. So you can use this to if you don't like any of the avatars on here, you can use to generate your own avatar. If I click on this, you see what I mean. So if you go in here, it'll take a while to, you can select what you want your avatar to look like, and you can have one for gender. So we can have, if we wanted to replace that lady, we can have a female. Age, we can have a young adult because she looked like a young adult. Ethnicity, I'm not sure what she looked like, but I'll just pick the first one. Eye color, this, that, gender. Well, I'm not particularly interested in all of that. I'll just generate what is required. And you can see it brings up a number of talking heads that you can use to replace the one you have there. It's a process that you can learn about, or you can learn how to do it under the tutorials. Basically, what happens is that you just go and you switch the head of one of the ones that you have on there, but it's a seamless process and it's pretty simple and easy. So going back to this, we can now select, I think I've selected one of these avatars. Oh, it's not, I haven't selected an avatar. So I think I like this lady with the glasses a bit. She looks pretty serious, and as a result of that, I might pick her. What am I talking about? ChatGPT? Right, no, let me not pick her. Let me pick somebody else. And was that a man's voice I used? I think it was a man's voice I used, so I cannot pick a woman there. I've already used this guy before, and let's see. Okay, this is taking a bit too long. I just need to pick somebody. Okay, let's just pick this guy. So he's so casual, and I go to the next page. And what I can do is I can actually get a text to speech utilized here by getting text for speech. And so what that would do, obviously, once you put it in this box, it will translate it into a number of different speeches, or into a talking head video for you. And so what I've done in this instance is I have an audio I use for just to test this, and this will allow me import the audio. So if I click on this, I can select from library because I've already saved it before. So this is the name of the person or who is creating this video. And so what I'll do is I'll select this from my list here. Alternatively, what could happen is if I select this guy, I've already selected this guy actually. Let me see, who am I looking for? I think I'm looking for, yes, Hiroto. And what I could do is I could do text to speech. I could say, hi, my name is Hiroto. I believe that's the right one. And then what I'll do is I'll go to next and text preview. So it's just one line, so it's pretty straightforward. Text preview, one position. So if you had multiple texts, obviously you could move them about, and you could jig them so that they're fairly close to what you're looking for. And if I click on this, it begins to render. So while rendering, it takes a while to render. Let us have a look at another platform that is it's already done this. Wow, that was quick. Well, maybe it's because I only had the one there. So let's see what it sounds like. Bearing in mind I'm doing this as I go along. So let's see. And
Hi, my name is Hiroto.
let's see.
Hi, my name is Hiroto.
So you can see the avatar seems fairly lifelike, and against the white background, it is really nice and really seamless. And so this will give you an indication of the fact that you can create a number of videos. And the other interesting thing was that This video, I haven't enhanced the voice in any way. This is actual voice coming out of the out of the app or out of the platform, so which is pretty good, and I think pretty decent, and it sounds fairly human if you ask me. So that done, I can now it says apply to all, but I'm not going to bother with that. I can just go to next, and I can put in name. I am. So here we go. I can pick a resolution. If you want it really quick, you can do it at 720. But I would advise that if you're going to use it for something like YouTube, you should do it at 180p, because the higher the resolution, the better it is for you. The higher the resolution, there's more to play with. If you want to go and cut pieces off, or you feel that something needs to be changed up a bit, having a high resolution ensures that you have a good quality of image. Now you do that, and what you do next is you click on that, and it begins to generate this. So it's going to take a while, even though it's a small video. It's going to take a while, and when this is done, what you see is you see your avatar, and then you can download it and use it as you need. So this is Humanpal in a nutshell, and this is how it works. It's actually still rendering. It's at 0% now, so I believe they will finish rendering at some point. And I think that it's a very useful tool to have. I think it's one that I said is the future of personalized video communication, because what you're going to find is that you're going to find people who will rely more and more on technology like this, both using and consuming. But here is how this ends, and thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll also leave a link down below for a course that deals with ChatGPT and teach you how to use ChatGPT fully and get the best out of it. All right, thank you.